हम चैप्टर 1 क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट के क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग, फर्स्ट कंपोस्ट एंड ग्रीन मैन्योर। आंसर इज कंपोस्ट, इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द decomposition of plants and animals. If decomposition can be done in the presence of earthworm, it is known as vermicompost. Green manure, it consists of decomposed leguminous plants like sunham. Leguminous plants are the plants whose roots have special bacteria, and that bacteria is helpful in nitrogen fixation. Next, compost and fertilizer. Compost, it is an organic substance, it is an inorganic substance, fertilizers. Second, for compost, it provides all the essential nutrients to the soil. For fertilizer, it provides all the required or specific nutrients to the soil. Next, compost, its action is slow. For fertilizer, its action is fast. Third, pesticides and weedicides. Pesticides are the chemicals that kill pests, for example DDT, BHC and malathion, etc. Whereas weedicides are chemicals which are poisonous for weeds but not harmful for crop plants. For example 2,4 dichlorofloxacetic acid. Next is nitrification and denitrification. Nitrification, conversion of dead decaying matters into ammonia and then into nitrates by nitrifying microbes is called nitrification. Whereas conversion of nitrite and nitrate from decaying organic matter into free gaseous nitrogen by denitrifying microbes is called denitrification. Fifth, crop and intercrop. A crop is a cultivation of the same kind of plant on a large scale in a field to obtain the produce. For example, a crop of wheat. Whereas a crop sown and harvested in between two major crops is called intercrop. For example, planting of trifolium in between kharif and rabi. Second question, list the task a farmer needs to perform for the cultivation of a crop. A farmer performs the following tasks for cultivation of a crop. These are called agricultural practices. It includes, first, preparation of soil, next procuring and selection of seeds, next sowing of seeds, fourth is improving soil fertility, fifth irrigation, sixth weeding, seventh protection of crops, eighth harvesting, cutting, threshing and winnowing, and last ninth is storage of farm produce. Third है, name one plant each from a kharif crop, rabi crop and the season in which each of them sown and harvested. Answer is kharif crops are sown in June, July and are harvested in late September or early October. Example, paddy or we can say rice. Rabi crops are sown in October, November and are harvested in March, April. For example, wheat. Next question is fourth. What are different foods which we get from animals? The different food products which we get from animals are milk, meat, eggs and honey. Question है, list some animal sources of seafood. Seafood comes from animals such as prawn, crab, oysters, snails, squirts, etc. लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हाउ एंड वाई डिड ह्यूमन स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग एग्रीकल्चर? आंसर इज early man was basically a food gatherer. He did not cultivated food but hunted and brought food every day for himself and his family. At the time when the weather got rough, he and his family had to eat stale feed or had to go without food. This made him to change his habit to domesticating animals and growing plants. Since man obtains his food from plants as well as animals, he started cultivating crops and rearing animals. Second है, how do we separate healthy seeds from a mixture of seeds? Answer is, we can separate healthy seeds from a mixture of seeds by performing the activity. If mixture of seeds are added into a beaker half filled with water, the damaged seeds will float on the surface of water after some time. At the same time, the healthy seeds will settle down at the bottom. This is because the damaged seeds are lighter and healthy seeds are heavier. Thus, damaged seeds being lighter float on the surface of water. What is intercropping? Name a few crops cultivated as intercrops. Answer is planting a crop in between two major crops in a field is called intercropping. Crops which are cultivated as intercrops are trifolium, chickpeas, sweet potato, etc. What is rotation of crops? How is it similar or dissimilar to intercropping? Answer: crop rotation is the method of growing different crops alternatively on the same field. For example, the farmer grow crop like wheat in first year. This is followed by growing leguminous plant like pea in the next season. This helps in replenishment of soil with nitrogen. Similarity with intercropping. Intercropping and crop rotation are alternative strategies applied in multicropping, the growing of two or more crops in the same piece of land. Both cropping systems have resulted to increase farm production and profitability per unit land area in selected crops. Dissimilarities with intercropping. Intercropping is the growing of two or more crops together in proximity on the same land. As a result, two or more crops are managed at the same time. It differs from crop rotation in which two or more crops are grown one after other. Fifth, how do we dam runaway water for irrigation purpose? Dams are being raised to store runaway water or the river water behind them and canalize them for irrigation. The water falling from dams is used for generation of hydroelectricity. In certain cases, the fields are flooded with water from tube well or canal. Too much of water goes waste in flood irrigation. Flood irrigation is required only for paddy crop. Give advantage and disadvantage of using chemical fertilizers for the cultivation of crops. Answer: advantages. Fertilizers are highly hygroscopic in nature. They absorb moisture from air, get dissolved even in the moisture and leach immediately into the soil. Disadvantage: though the use of fertilizers has helped farmers in getting better yield in comparison to the use of organic manure, but the prolonged and excessive use of fertilizers has resulted in leaving the soil less fertile in the long run, also result in the burning of leaves of crop plants and has poisoned the ground. Why should we make use of sprinklers or drip for irrigation crops instead of flood irrigation? We should make use of sprinklers or drip for irrigation crop instead of flood irrigation because in certain cases the fields are flooded with water from tube well or canal and too much water goes waste in flood irrigation. But in sprinkler and drip irrigation are modern methods of irrigation, facilitates in judicious use of water and minimizes the waste of water. Why it is necessary to preserve and maintain water bodies? Answer: it is necessary to preserve and maintain water bodies because Indian farmers depend mainly upon monsoon for watering the crops. At the times rain are scarce or poor and the crops fail due to drought, or when it rains heavy, the crop get damaged due to floods. To overcome the dependence of rain, dams are being raised to store runaway water. Ninth, what are different ways in which a farmer draws groundwater for irrigation? Answer: the different ways in which a farmer draws groundwater for irrigation are mode, chain pump, rahat or dekri. Nowadays, drawing groundwater through tube well is being practiced. With the help of a motor run on electricity or diesel, with the lowering of level of groundwater, the wells may not serve the purpose of irrigation and therefore some other methods are being adapted. And how do leguminous crops help in increasing soil fertility? A bacterium, Rhizobium radicula, is present in root nodules of leguminous plant. Rhizobium is capable of absorbing nitrogen and oxygen from the air and combine the two form nitrogen oxide. This nitrogen oxide enriches soil with nitrogenous mineral in a natural way. We need not add fertilizer to the soil on which leguminous plants are growing. The roots of leguminous plants left behind in the soil continue to add nitrogen minerals to the soil. 11th, discuss the necessity of weeding, how this can be done. Weeds are the undesirable plants growing along a crop which affect their yield by consuming nutrition meant for crops from soil. Weeds also block full sunlight and air from the crop plants. Removing of these undesirable plants or weeds is called weeding. Weeding is necessary so that crop plants will get full sunlight and nutrition from the soil. Some weeds produce toxic substances that may be poisonous for animal and human beings. 12th, what is nitrogen fixation? List all the ways in which nitrogen fixation takes place in nature. Answer: conversion of air nitrogen into nitrates by nitrogen fixing agent is called nitrogen fixation. The way in which nitrogen fixation takes place in nature are by nitrogen fixing microbes in soil, by lightning atmosphere, and by blue-green algae in water. How biological control on weeds is exercised? Answer is: some worms and insects have a special affinity to certain weeds with which they flourish well and are introduced in crop field. This is called biological control of weeds. These insects or other organisms consume and specifically destroy the weed plants without harming the crop plants. 14. How do earthworms help the farmers? Earthworms live in soil. They turn and loosen the soil. Their burrowing action creates channel through which plants' roots penetrate the soil more easily. So earthworms are called farmers' friends. 15. In what way white worms are more effective than earthworms? Answer: white or red worms are more effective than earthworms as they flourish well in moist soil rich in decaying organic matter at the temperature on which earthworms cannot survive. White or red worms are also used to prepare vermicompost as they keep the manure warm and airy. They are also great breeders. 16. What are the aims and objectives of animal husbandry? The aim and objective of animal husbandry are: first, safety, shelter, cleanliness and hygiene of animals. Second, proper feeding of animals. Third, ब्रीडिंग एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स। तो यहाँ हमारा वीडियो ख़त्म होता है।